What's something people don't know about getting a job at Qatar Airways? It's easier than you might think. First, head to the Qatar Airways careers portal at careers.qatarairways.com. Click on Search Jobs and type Cabin Crew to find open positions. Next, check the requirements. Be at least 21, with an arm reach of 212 centimeters on tiptoes. High school diploma, English fluency, and a polished appearance are must-haves. Customer service experience helps, and remember, you'll need to relocate to Doha. Then, create your profile on the careers portal. Fill in your details, upload your CV, cover letter, passport copy, and photos. Submit your application after double-checking all details. If shortlisted, you'll be invited to an assessment day. This includes initial screening, group activities, English tests, and personal interviews. Pass these and you'll move on to the final interview and a medical exam. If all goes well, Qatar Airways will send you an offer letter and you'll head to Doha for training. Good luck on your journey to the skies with Qatar Airways.